welcome to my channel. Here we are making this video. So I wanted to share 5 mistakes that I've done in my early 20s so that you guys can relate to it. So the first mistake is starting this video right now. So yeah, I wanted to start few things like starting this YouTube journey, and I'm starting this right now, and I really, maybe I'll regret it later that I would have started way earlier. So in this busy life, as I am working professional also, so with that life gets busy, and continuing other things, we keep postponing things afterwards. So that is the mistake that I did, like to begin the work earlier only, so that we will learn through the journey also, and not just keep postponing it to tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or maybe one day, or some friend will come and they will help and I will do no. So that is the mistake number one, that pausing things so that everything will get in place, everything will be perfect, and then I will start. So yeah, that is mistake number one. So the second mistake is I always kept on thinking that life will start tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll wear that, tomorrow I'll go there, tomorrow I'll do that, tomorrow I'll meet those people, tomorrow maybe I'll be happy, tomorrow maybe I'll go talk to that person that I wanted to. So that tomorrow never comes. Life is happening right now, like you're watching this video, it's happening right now. So you have to take those actions right now, like not right now. Right now you're watching my video, which is a good thing. So yeah, I realized that I always kept on thinking life will start tomorrow, which in reality it's not. It's right now that we have to take actions. So the third mistake that I have done in early 20s is not paying enough attention about basic financial knowledge. So as we start earning, there will be money coming in, and we start enjoying things related to money. And as you get experience, obviously the income of money will get increased, and it's very, very important to know how to manage money, because everything in life revolves around money. The moment you get up, the paste that you use, the tea that you make, everything will depend on money. So eventually you should learn how to manage money, otherwise life will get messier day by day. Yeah, I'm still currently learning how to manage that money, but yeah, if you are in your early 20s, give importance to learning about financial knowledge. If you have any financial advice, or if you have learned from your mistake, do let me know in the comment section. So the fourth mistake is thinking everyone around me is like me and not setting clear boundaries. So when over time that I've realized that if you don't set clear boundaries with people, then it will eventually drain me, and it will not get the best out of me for the opposite person also. So I am continuously learning how to set those boundaries, and to maintain that respect with people also. So before I used to think people opposite me are bad, people opposite me are of not my type, people are like whoever are opposite to me, I used to think they are the mistake. But as I am in my mid-20s, I came to realize that everyone have their different priorities, everyone have their own journey, everyone is going through something else that we don't know, so they react to their situations. So it's better that we set those boundaries, we set that expectation thing, and then eventually it will be good for both the people. So the fifth mistake is not speaking up enough. If you don't ask for it, the universe will never give it to you. It might be anything. It might be a job, it might be a chance, it might be an opportunity, it might be anything in your office, it might be anything in your family. If you don't ask for it, if you don't speak up for yourself, you will never get it. So whatever you need in life, whatever you want to do, just speak up in your life. It might turn up, and you will also have those opportunities. This is one of the mistakes that I've done, that I've just shut my mouth when I actually needed to speak. So yeah, speaking up for yourself, go and ask for it. Have you ever spoken up in situations that you're not supposed to speak up? Do let me know. So these are the mistakes that I've realized of lately that I've done in my mid-20s. If you could relate to this, if you had a situation wherein you thought you also did the same things, do let me know in the comment sections. And please keep loving, keep like this video, subscribe to my channel, and keep giving the love. Bye bye.